What is up, Aroha? Welcome back to the channel. It is Astro Wednesday. Really excited to announce that I'm going to start to make Wednesdays, Gravity Wednesdays, and Astro Wednesdays. So on Wednesday, you'll have both groups. I'm gonna try. Doesn't start today though. Maybe next week. I'm getting a new job and I'm starting a lot of new things. So scheduling is a little weird right now, so I apologize, but I'm gonna try to do that. So don't quote me that it's gonna happen. I'm trying, okay? Nevertheless, we're going to check out Astro's beginnings as a group, okay? We're gonna be checking out Hide and Seek, as well as Cat Eye and Breathless. So I usually do 3 reactions in one, just so I can get a good feel. I already like Astro's music. I am already there. You know, they got me. I'm hooked. Let's roll though, okay? I want to see, the beginning of it. If I miss a music video, please let me know what music video I missed. I'm going by the order that is given to me on YouTube, so I hope it's the correct one. But if it's not, let me know. Okay, yes. So, without further ado, let's go. Oh my gosh. They look so baby. They look so young. When was this? 2016? Wow. So you're telling me this man always looked this freaking adorable? Whoa. Oh my god. That's my boy. That's my boy right there. I freaking love MJ. His vibe, his voice, just everything, man. I like this super boyish charm, super fresh. All right, Jinjin. All right. Got the green bangs going on. His voice is so charming, sweet. He's got such a I don't know. We'll talk about this in the end. They're so cute. Whoa. Moonbin, man. Let's make a dance. This song is so cute. Oh, she was just dreaming. He had the little thingy. Wow. Okay, Astro. Astro did not come to play. Yeah. I it's so interesting to see the progression, you know, cuz I am a late Oroha, right? I'm new to the to the group and the dynamic and the music and the feel and the vibes and the fandom, you know. I'm new. And it's so interesting to see how light, bright, youthful it's they sounded like off the gate, you know? And like now with one, it's a little darker, it's a little bit more mature, the sound is drastically different. Yet somehow they're able to keep their own like individuality. Like it's just so interesting to see. Cha Unu. Sorry if I say his name wrong. Okay, I'm trying. His name is the most difficult for me. I'm I'm Mexican, but you know, in my Spanish and my English, and I can't even speak. But his voice, maybe I need to pay more attention to it in like the newer releases, but his voice to me, I feel like it's changed just like a little bit. Like he sounds so much younger and obviously he's younger here, right? But like his voice is so different. I feel like it's deeper. It's definitely more matured. Obviously that also comes with one, with age, and two, of course, with maturity and you know, as you grow up, your voice tends to lower a couple octaves. So I was like, whoa, like he just sounds so different to me. They all look super adorable. I like this. I like the youthfulness. I like the it's just like a breath of fresh air. Okay. Next up we have Cat Eye. Let's go. I read somewhere that this is supposed to have stuff from their drama web series thing, like little clips. I don't know if it's this one, but I think we shall see. He's adorable. Sanha has such a baby face, like even now. Who's that? Okay, Chauno. That's my boy. Come on. Rocky's so cool.
장화시는 고양이 같은 눈빛 내 맘 다 훔쳐갈 것 같지만 좋아 그대만 허락할게요.
I wonder how old they all were at like debut age. Rocky's so freaking cool. I like Jinjin's hair, that undercut. Was I not gonna hit him there? Next up is Breathless. But before we get on to that one, yeah. I don't know if that was the one that has clips from the drama. It kind of looked like that. Two girls were there. I'm not sure again if it's that video. But nonetheless, if you're interested in me watching one of the dramas, I don't watch dramas. K-dramas are not for me. I try to avoid cringy stuff, but I will make exceptions. I have watched the EXO one, and I have watched the GOT7 one. So, and I have watched some of the parodies that Monsta X has put out. So if you would like for me to watch any of the Astro drama web series that they have with all of the members, let me know, and I'll figure out how I can put that on YouTube and where I can find it. So let me know. I would love to see them like actually acting. I know Unu acts, and he was in True Beauty and stuff, and Moonbin has also been in a couple of things. MJ has been in like musicals, but I would love to see them all together. So maybe I might do that. Okay, so next up, Breathless. Oh, here we go. Looks like a summer beach vibe. When you're thirsty, but you're a little lazy. I've heard this song before. Are they the sodas? They are the sodas. Oh, this was the video. Okay, this was a song that they did in the KCON airport thingy. How interesting. How? First of all, this song I love. Oh. This definitely reminds me of the old Fanta commercials. Do you remember those? Fanta used to have commercials in the US. Obviously, you know, like it's about sodas, but yeah.
보이니까 내가 너만 바라만 보아도 부담은 갖지 마 진짜 내 마음이니까 볼수록 어려워 보여 꼼꼼하게 준비했는데 숨가봐 네가 뺏어가는가 봐 마치 꿈 같아 정신을 못 차릴 만큼
Now I kind of want an Astro soda.
부족한가 봐 예쁜 소녀야 내게 뭔 짓을 한 거야 여름인데도 추운 것 같아 네가 날 바라보는 눈빛에 보기보다 진짜 심각하거든 이제
They're so cute.
정말 물려라 숨가봐 네가 뺏어가는가 봐 산소 같은 너 내게 너란 존재가 쉽진 않지만 하나 둘 촉촉해가
I wonder how the company or how they came up with this concept.
예쁜 소녀야 평생을 나눠만 바라봐봐 내가 책임질게 네가 나의 끝판왕
Wow. That was my favorite. That's my favorite. I'm a person who considers myself a bad bitch. And K-pop, I swear, this was not me back in the day. K-pop has this ability to, I don't know, but it has this ability to make me giggle, smile, squeal, and just everything that I've never done in my life. You know, like I'm not a person who's like, oh my God, how so cute. I'm not that type of person. But K-pop does that to me, you know? And then I have to sit back and be like, who am I? That's K-pop. And that last video, they're so adorable. Oh my gosh. I wonder if they were able to like, I don't know, like if I was in the marketing team at Fantasia, I would dead ass, like, sorry about when I don't like to cuss a lot, but I cuss when I'm excited. But I would seriously look into, like for promotional stuff, look into like sponsorships with like Fanta or like Sprite or like any other like big cup Coca-Cola, you know, like, hey, I have this new boy group. Trust me. They've got everything. Let's do a collab. Like I would, or just put out like their own soda brand. I would, they would make a lot of money. Just say it. I would buy 24 packs. Like I would buy. I don't even like soda and I would buy it. I hope they did something like that. Like they promoted with some sort of like brand of like soda or juice or something. Cause that was such a interesting concept. The story, I loved it. It's so cute. And honestly, like I said, it's it's interesting to see, like where they were in the beginning, what they sounded like and what they sound like now. And you know, there's a lot of mixed emotions. Like I really like this. I really like how light and bright and fresh this feels. And I also really enjoy like their newer stuff, their darker stuff, the more EDM, hip hoppy, trap heavy stuff. But I wish and I hope and I have the new album has given me some of that, but I want to hear more of it. If they're able to find a happy medium of like the light, bright pop sound with like the EDM heavy, you know, something that they can do to like find a happy medium, I feel like it would work for them. They haven't found it yet. Like I said, this newer album has given me like snippets of that. Like there's some songs that I'm like, oh, this is what I want, you know, like this is what I want, but they haven't given me that in like a title track, you know. I haven't heard everything, granted, but I would like to hear some of that. So yeah, that's it for me today. Come back next week. Bye.